2014 Ram 1500 Hemi 8 cylinder. I was having an issue with ignition coil being burned due to the voltage on ignition coil 1 and 2. So after I changed the computer, nothing improved. So I decided I may have somewhere grounding, so I decided to change the entire wiring harness. So it wasn't easy as it looks, but especially the four connectors right behind the engine. The manifold have to be removed, the top portion of the engine, to have access to the back of the engine. That's the only way I was able to reach the two connectors. And that's the way to do it. It's very tough. I was frustrated, but I'm